How to hide live chat HubSpot on Tag Manager. To hide the HubSpot live chat using Google Tag Manager GTM, you can utilize a combination of JavaScript and CSS. I will show you, and I will also give you the code. In GTM, create a new variable type custom JavaScript name as a screen width. Use the following code which I'm going to show you. So make sure you pause this video or you can copy this up. Right, so you have to copy each and everything, and here then you have to create a trigger. Select set up a trigger that fires based on this screen width variable you just created. For example, configures it to the fire only on desktop view. Right, modify the HubSpot change chat tags here. Edit your HubSpot chat tag in GTM to use this trigger. This will ensure that the chat only appears on desktop devices. Now, once you do this, the second method is using CSS. If you prefer to hide the chat with via CSS, here how you can do this, as well as I will just give you the code. Right, create a new tag in GTM and select custom HTML. Insert the following CSS code. Set the tag to fire on all pages on specific pages where you want to hide the chat. Now, this is a third method using a HubSpot JavaScript. Now use GTM to inject JavaScript that calls HubSpot API to show or hide the chat based on conditions you define. Right here below is the example code, and this approach allows you to more dynamic control over when the chat appears based on user interaction on specific page view. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you copy the code very easily just by pausing this video.